United Nations Climate Change Conference is to be held in Baku, city of Azerbaijan, from 11th November to 22nd November 2024. COP stands for Conference of the Parties, and the summit was attended by the countries that signed the United Nations Framework Convention or Climate Change. That is a treaty that came into force in 1994. The first meeting was held in Berlin, Germany in March 1995. The United Nations Climate Change Conference, or early conference, held in the framework of the United Nations framework. At COPs, world leaders come together to assess global effort to advance the Paris Agreement and limit global warming to 1.5 degrees centigrade as informed by the latest science, and to measure progress and negotiate the best ways to address the climate change. The Conference of the Parties is the apex decision-making body of the United Nations Climate Change Framework Convention. The UNFCCC was formed in 1994 to stabilize the greenhouse gas emissions and to protect the Earth from the threat of climate change. COP members are meeting every year since 1995. The third conference of the parties was held in Kyoto, and then after Kyoto Protocol was adopted. The Conference of the Parties to assess progress in dealing with the climate change and to negotiate the Kyoto Protocol to establish legally binding obligations for developed countries to reduce their greenhouse gas emissions. There are 198 countries, 197 countries plus European Union. United Nations Climate Change Conference or Conference of the Parties of the United Nations UNFCCC, more commonly known as COP29 in Baku, city of Azerbaijan, and the head of Azerbaijan, Mukhtar Babayev, will preside the COP29. Azerbaijan is committed to develop its renewable energy potential and to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by 40% by 2050. The country intends to increase renewable power capacity to 30% by 2030 and diversify its existing energy system to become a leader in green energy.